There we go. And away we go, everybody. Happy Christmas in July or whatever. Happy fireworks time. Live from Turner's Falls on the Unity side, Unity Park side of the Connecticut. Yeah, I could say that word tonight. Connecticut River. And these are usually like 90 million times better than the ones they have in Greenfield. So we will see whether or not if that holds true this year. At least they're more up in the air than they have been so far. The last couple of years there was some close call disasters. So. Yeah. Just to let you know, I got about like 70-something% battery, so. I will do what I can. Ooh. Wow. Well, for those of you that get into this, this is why I do this for. Right? And I like watching this type of stuff, so I can't be the only one. Ooh, there you go. Ooh, there you go. For Amy, if you decide to come by the channel, well, hey, you already saw the carousel boat, courtesy of a photo, and now you're getting to see this if you decide to stop by and visit, right? That doesn't just go for you, that goes for everybody else that may decide to watch, right? So whoever you may be, hi. All right, part 2 in a moment.